What's the best way to make money online, even as a complete beginner? Well, after generating over $10 million in the last decade, I can confidently say that it's AI. And not just right now in 2026, but AI has without a doubt been the biggest money-making opportunity since the internet was created. At the same time, I also believe that there's a very small window for us to capitalize on this because sooner or later, everyone will be using AI, which means that the advantage will be gone. So to help you make the most of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, today I'll be comparing the 4 best AI business models based on metrics that actually matter for beginners. I'm gonna rank them from good to best, with number 1 being the current king of all AI business models. Now, real quick before I get into the first one, I'm not gonna just sit here and just hype up every business model on this list without giving you the full picture. Because honestly, depending on the type of person that you are, your skills, patience, budget, situation, etc., your number 1 on this list could be someone else's number 4 and vice versa. So for every business I cover, I'm gonna give you the pros and the cons, and I'm gonna let you make the call on which one is actually right for you. With that out the way, let's go ahead and kick us off at number 4. And here, we've got a business that has consistently been generating beginners $10,000 to $30,000 in their first few months starting, and that is with Faceless AI YouTube channels. Now, in case you don't know what that is, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. You create YouTube videos using AI tools, so you never have to show your face, you never have to film anything, and you never have to even speak on camera if you don't want to. Because AI handles the visuals, the voiceover, the script, while you just basically just become the director. And the way you make money with this is through ad revenue and brand deals. And with ad revenue, once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube turns on monetization. And then they start paying you every single time that someone watches an ad on your video, where the more views that you get, the more money that you make. And once you really start scaling this channel, sponsors come into the picture, where brands will pay you anywhere from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars to mention their brand in a video. Now, there are a few different niches that are absolutely crushing it right now with this AI faceless format, but by far, the one that I'm seeing going the craziest is documentary style channels, where people are using AI to narrate full-on mini documentaries on history, true crime, conspiracies, news, all of that stuff. But also what I'm seeing going absolutely crazy is AI music channels, where people are generating looping AI visuals and layer AI generated music right underneath it. This is usually like that background music that you use when you're trying to focus. So like that study music, the focus beats, lo-fi, sleep music, etc. Where some of these channels are getting millions of views per upload off of content that maybe took like 30 minutes to make. And I know I am definitely one of those viewers, but I'm gonna be real with you guys, like I always am, okay? Here's the problem when you are a complete beginner trying to do this. So to keep it simple and short for you guys, YouTube in 2026 is kind of brutal. The algorithm is saturated with faceless AI content right now, so you're basically competing with thousands of other beginners doing the exact same thing in the exact same niche with the exact same tools. And even if you do everything right, YouTube has a delayed payoff where you're not making money on day 1, day 30, or even day 60. Because first you need to be able to hit those monetization requirements I mentioned earlier, which most beginner channels don't even reach for 3 to 6 months. And that's gonna be a long time to be working for free, especially if you're trying to make money fast. Now, technically, yes, you can speed that up because if you're willing to grind and post like 3 to 5 videos a week instead of 1, consistently study what's working and actually pivot fast when something isn't hitting, well, you can probably hit those monetization numbers in maybe 4 to 8 weeks. But as you could probably guess, that takes serious work where you have to genuinely commit, treat it like a full-time job, and trust yourself enough to keep going even when your first 10 videos flop. And we all know most people are not willing to do that. And if you're not, well, you're looking at 3 to 6 months minimum of working for free before YouTube even pays you a single dollar. Plus, your entire business lives on one platform. So if YouTube changes their monetization rules, demonetizes your niche, or just decides your channel isn't quality enough, well, you can lose everything overnight. Now that said, I know it sounds negative, but let me just say the upside here is still extremely real. Because even if just one of those videos pops off, you can make passive income on it for literal years. Also, the cost is extremely low. I mean, you're maybe spending $30 to $50 a month on AI tools, and that's it. So this requires no inventory, no ad spend, no team. So if you're in a position right now where you've got time and patience, that is a solid entry point. But if you do want to start making money in the next 30 days, there is a better way to do it, especially if you're someone who likes the idea of working with other businesses instead of just posting content. So if YouTube isn't your thing and you would rather get paid faster, the next pick on this list might be ideal for you. And this is a fairly new business model that has only been around for like a couple years in this form that it is in now. So competition is still pretty low, but I'm telling y'all right now, it's also one of the highest paying AI businesses that you can start as a beginner, and that is an AI agency. Now, an AI agency is basically where you sell AI powered services to other businesses, where you're not selling AI tools, you're selling outcomes and systems. So you're going to local businesses, small businesses, online businesses, whoever, and you're going to them and you're offering to handle a specific problem for them using AI. And even I'm somebody who's spending money on this type of business. I mean, I just spent $9,000 last week to get an AI agency to come into my business to improve the efficiency of AI throughout my entire business here at Supreme Ecom, where I'm paying them to solve the problem of getting everybody in this business to use AI the same. Where the number one thing that we're trying to do is save the amount of manual work that each one of my staff members are using on a day-to-day basis to implement different systems and AI bots so that not every single person in here is doing things that they shouldn't be doing and letting AI come in and completely automate it. So just think about that. If I'm paying for it, I know there's thousands of other people who are paying for it too. But I only just highlighted a glimpse of what they can do. But people right now are buying this for like customer service automation, AI voice agents that answer phone calls, AI chatbots that handle their lead generation, AI content creation for their social media, all types of different stuff. Where if you go down this route, the pitch here is really simple. Okay? Most business owners are scared of AI, but they know they need to use it. Where you become the solution. You literally open up the door and become the person who implements it for them and charges them every single month for the service. Where the math on this can be really good as well. I mean, one client can pay you anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 a month, where you only need 5 clients to be at $10,000 to $20,000 a month in revenue. And if you stack up 10 clients, well, now you're already sitting at 6 figures a year. But here's the catch when you are a complete beginner. Selling to business owners is hard, like genuinely, painfully hard. Because these business owners, these CEOs, I mean, these are people who have been pitched by every agency owner on Instagram for the last 2 years. So they're pretty skeptical, they're slow to make decisions, and they want to see real proof of work before they hand you any money. So that means that you're going to be spending most of your time doing cold outreach, sending hundreds of emails, DMs, hundreds of cold calls, just to maybe land 1 client per week if you're lucky. So I'm gonna be real with you guys, it's gonna be a grind. And it's not that kind of grind that has a guaranteed payoff. And on top of everything I just mentioned, let's not forget that you also need to deliver real results. So even after you close the client, well, now you've got to figure out how to set up the AI systems, troubleshoot when things break, and make sure that the client sees enough value to keep paying you every single month. Because if they don't, they will churn and leave, and you are right back to square one. So honestly, I mean, this business model is perfect for a very specific type of person. And that's for the person who's naturally good with people, who doesn't crumble after hearing no 50 times in a row, who can hold a genuine conversation with a business owner and actually understand their problem. That's the type of person that this is gonna fit, because it's the kind of business that rewards confidence, communication, and consistency over creativity. And let me not forget to mention that you also have to be technical enough to set up the AI systems on the back end, or at least willing to learn fast. So if you are someone who likes troubleshooting and building systems, well, this is going to be a beautiful fit. But if you hate cold outreach, you don't like dealing with picky business owners, and the idea of being on calls with clients all day sounds like a nightmare, this probably isn't gonna be your best move. And that's totally fine, because there are other business models on this list that don't require any of it. Which brings us to the next business model. And this one is perfect for the type of person who prefers speaking to a camera rather than to people. So listen, if you're someone right now who loves making videos, being in front of the camera, has a feel for what is trending on social media, and you want to make money without ever having to talk to a single client, this one is built for you. Because what if instead of having to sell yourself to business owners every single day, you could just promote products that are already selling and get paid every single time someone buys? And that's what AI affiliate marketing is all about, which is why it's my top 2 pick in this list. So affiliate marketing is pretty straightforward. You promote someone else's product, and then every single time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. And this type of model has been around forever. But what has changed is how easy AI has made the content creation side of it. Specifically, AI has unlocked TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. With tools like Ecom Boss, you can generate hyper-realistic AI characters that look like real people, give them a script promoting any product on TikTok Shop, and post those videos to a fresh account every single day. Where people are watching these videos thinking that they're real creators, clicking through to the TikTok Shop and buying the product. And every time that happens, well, you get paid a percentage of that sale. And right now, I'm telling you, some people are making thousands of dollars in their very first month doing this. I've literally watched a friend of mine go from 0 to a couple grand in profit in a month just by creating AI characters and funneling them to TikTok Shop. And one of the best parts about this business model is that it's extremely low cost to be able to do this, because you just pay for the AI tools and that's it. No inventory, no ad spend. You're not even creating the product. You're just driving traffic to it. And let me just prove to you guys and show y'all how easy it is when you're using the right tool. So right now I'm in the Ecom Boss main dashboard. And right now I can actually jump into this new feature called the ad decoder. And here all I have to do is go ahead and upload the link of a winning TikTok ad URL. Let's go ahead and take this one right here, for example. It will then scan that ad and then break down each scene and rank it from 1 to 100% of how well that ad is, while also providing a full analysis to you on how that ad can be improved and giving you the option to click one button that will then create a better variation of that winning ad that's already doing well, but it replaces replaces their main character with high quality AI avatars. No prompting is needed, there's no setup, you just click this one button and it will make more variations of what is already working. Let me go and show you an example real quick of what it just created after giving it that TikTok URL. I'm trying to tell you guys, this only took me like less than a minute to be able to do. And it doesn't just stop there. Let's say that this ad pops off for you, in which cases you're gonna need more variations of that same type of ad to keep that momentum. Well, all you have to do is just come back in here, swap the presenter, tweak the script, and now you got brand new variations of that same winning ad. That way you can walk away with 10 to 20 variations of something that's already working without doing any extra work. And listen, if you wanna go ahead and try Ecom Boss for 25% off your first month, I left the link right below this video for you to go ahead and try it out today. But just like any other business model out there, when there are pros, there are still a couple cons. And I wanna be real about where this gets risky. Your entire business lives and dies on this one platform. And TikTok can come and shut your account down for the smallest violation, and overnight, you've now lost your entire income stream. And with AI generated content getting more and more flagged by TikTok's algorithm, there's really like no guarantee that these accounts even survive long term. On top of that, you're not really building anything that's yours. You're just a middleman where you don't own the product, don't own the customer, and you don't own the data. Where the minute that the platform changes the rules, or the brand that you're promoting decides to pull the product, well, you're basically back at zero with nothing to show for. So yes, affiliate marketing is great. I mean, extremely great for making quick money, but it's not the kind of thing that you can build a real long-term sustainable business on, because there's no long-term equity, there's no asset that you're building. You're just renting traffic from a platform that could turn off that tap at any moment. But listen, what if I told you that there was a business model that combined the simplicity of affiliate marketing, the scalability of an agency, and the passive income of a YouTube channel all in one? And even on top of that, what if I told you that with AI, this business model has gone from one of the hardest businesses to start to one of the absolute easiest? That's exactly what's sitting at number one. So rounding out the top spot, the AI business that I personally believe is the best one to start in 2026 is AI dropshipping. And I wanna be clear, this is my top pick because of what I've seen firsthand. Hundreds of never-ending wins from clients and students, but even bigger than this is since I've already been in this game for close to 10 years, is just seeing the way that AI has basically removed every traditional barrier that made this business hard in the first place. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, let me go ahead and break this down in the simplest way possible. You just sell physical products online without ever having to buy or hold any inventory up front. Someone buys from your store, your supplier ships the product directly to them, and you keep the profit between what the customer paid and what the product cost is. And like I said, it's been around for years, but the reason it's number one in 2026 is because AI has completely transformed how this business gets built. A few years ago, I mean, even when I first started, starting a dropshipping store meant hiring a developer for $5,000 to build your website, hiring a copywriter for a few $100s to write your product page, hiring a UGC creator for another few hundred to film your ads. On top of all that, you then need to spend hours doing product research manually and waiting weeks before you could even launch. And now today, all of that's eliminated because AI does all of that for you. It can build you a fully functional Shopify store in under an hour, where AI will write your copy, generate your ad creatives, create UGC videos of AI people holding your product, and even write your customer service responses. Where that entire workflow that used to take a team of 5 people and $10,000 to set up, you can now do solo with a few subscriptions of under basically like $100. And speaking of subscriptions, there's actually one tool that's basically non-negotiable if you're doing AI dropshipping in 2026, and that's AutoDS. AutoDS is the product research and fulfillment software that I personally use for every single store that I run. There's over 1.8 million dropshippers that are currently using it, and they're collectively earning over $1 billion through the platform. So this isn't some random new tool, it's the industry standard. And what makes it essential for beginners is that it solves the single hardest part of dropshipping, which is picking the right winning product. This platform's got over 800 million products indexed with built-in data like engagement metrics, total revenue, and even units sold for each one. So you can see what's actually working before you bet a single dollar on it. It also has a feature that builds you a fully functional AI Shopify dropshipping store in 2 minutes, trained on the top 1% of most successful designs. And you can try this whole entire platform out for only $1. So if you choose AI dropshipping from this list, definitely check out AutoDS, and I'll leave it linked down below. And here's the part that makes this the obvious number one pick. You see, unlike a YouTube channel, you're not waiting 6 months to make your first dollar. People can come buy from your store the second that you launch it. And unlike an agency, you're not begging business owners for meetings or doing endless cold outreach. The customers come to you through ads or organic marketing. And unlike affiliate marketing, you actually own the business, meaning that you actually own the store. You own the brand, you own the customer data, you own the email list, and you own the relationships. So if one platform shuts down your ads, you just move on to another one where your business consistently survives because the asset is yours. Now let me go ahead and talk about the earning potential here, because this is where it gets even better. A single AI dropshipping store, once you found a winning product and you're running ads consistently, can pull anywhere between $30,000 to $100,000 per month, even as a complete beginner within your first 6 months. And the wildest part is that once one store is dialed in, you can stack 2, 3, 5 more on top of each other. That's how guys in this space are quietly building 7-figure businesses solo without ever having to hire a team. But I'm also not gonna sit here and act like it's all sunshine and rainbows, okay? You will still need to spend around $500 in upfront ad spend to be able to test products in the first place. And not every single product is gonna hit out the gate. So you will have to wait some time where you might lose a little bit of money before you find that winning product. And it's also not fully passive either. I don't care what people try to tell you. You're still gonna have to make decisions on what to scale, what to kill, and how to handle the edge cases. Now, AI is the engine, yes, but you are still the driver. But even with that being said, the only reason that this is even possible right now is because AI has dropped the barrier to entry so dramatically. I mean, stuff that used to cost thousands and take weeks to be able to complete is now only a few clicks in a $20 subscription. I mean, anybody who has a laptop and a few $100 can honestly compete and scale and change your life forever with this business model. Now, here's one thing that decides whether you actually make money with AI dropshipping or not, and I wanna be clear about this, and that is picking the right product. Because if you pick the wrong one, you will burn through your testing budget without a single sale. You pick the right one and you're profitable from week 1. So to take that guesswork out of the equation, I have created a cheat sheet of the top 10 winning products actively printing money right now that you can start making money with this month. This list is completely free. There's no strings attached. It's just my way of helping out beginners who don't want to blow their ad budget on maybes. And if you want to go ahead and check it out, I left it right below this video as well. And if AI dropshipping ended up being your top pick, I've actually got a full free course here on YouTube where I walk you through exactly how to set up a one-person AI dropshipping business from scratch, where I break down and show you step-by-step how to find the products, the stores, create the ads, the whole stack. And that video is gonna pop up on the screen right now, and it's the perfect next step while everything from this video is still fresh. So take that top 10 list and head into that next video, and I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.